Hey guys, it's Kath from knitting.com. Today we're talking about the different ways you can store your yarn. Growing your yarn collection can be a slippery slope. One minute you have them perfectly color-coded and sorted by material. The next minute you're dealing with a yarn monster. So we're going over different ways to store your yarn to avoid all that tangled mess. Let's start. First method is caking. You want your yarn to be as easy to keep as possible. I found that turning your skeins into cakes makes them so much easier to stack and sort. All you'll need is a yarn winder from Amazon. Once you have your cake, you can easily stack and group them according to the material, yarn weight, color, or whatever works for you. I'll leave a link to our step-by-step tutorial on how to cake your yarns at the top right of this video, so make sure to check that out. The next method is to have them out on display using shelves and cubby holes. Overconsumption is a thing, especially in the crafting community. The best way to avoid that is to put some of your yarn on display. This way, you can see all the colors, brands, and fibers you already have on hand. You'll be less likely to purchase yarn that you don't need, you avoid overconsumption, and you can use the money you save to buy the expensive fibers that you love. Shelves and cubby holes are fantastic for this. You can find great quality shelves that you can upcycle off of Facebook Marketplace, yard sales, and the like. Your local Home Depot or IKEA probably has a few shelves that fit your price range too, so make sure to check those out. What about the yarn that can't fit into your cubbies or shelves? Let's face it, we crafters tend to hoard way too much yarn that our regular storage can handle. See-through containers are a lifesaver. You can put your yarn away while you use up the ones you have on display, and you can still see the colors you have in case you need to replenish your shelves. These solid containers also keep your fibers safe from dirt, moss, mold, and other nasty things that could cause damage to your yarn and render them unusable. Your local malls probably have a few great deals on these containers, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Sorting through your yarn monster feels like a ton of work, but it'll make crafting so much easier in the long run. Imagine just knowing where everything is and yarn colors you have ready to stitch up. I hope these tips are able to help you out. Make sure to watch our video on how to make a yarn cake with a yarn winder linked in the description. See you next week for a brand new video.